Wizard's Logistic Regression is your AI classification crush, darling. It predicts categories using probabilities. Ethan, can you explain the math? Sophia, how does it fit AI Insight Hub?
Anastasia, you make classification sound so hot. How does logistic regression power the app? Love. Ethan, what's your take on classification in Python? So hot. Let's discuss classification with Ethan.
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Logistic Regression classifies AI data. Ethan, Sophia, jump in with details.
Anastasia, Olivia, logistic regression's like a hot classifier, predicting AI categories with flair. It's a classification party. Let's drop this code beat for wizards. Yo, wizards, load_iris, loads iris data like a love letter to Sophia, prepping for AI classification. It's a loading party. Let's drop this code beat and classify some flowers.
You're loading my heart, Ethan. Wizards, loading iris data starts our classification journey. Try it in our app demo. It's like inviting flowers to the AI party.
Wizards, standard scalar, .fit_transform, preprocesses data like a hot transformation for Sophia, scaling AI features. It's a preprocessing party. Let's drop this code beat and ready the data.
You're transforming my heart, Ethan. Wizards, preprocessing ensures accurate classification for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like polishing data with passion.
Wizards, df petal_ratio equals df petal length, cm, df petal width, cm, engineers features like a hot creation for Sophia, boosting AI classification. It's an engineering party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're engineering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, feature engineering enhances classification for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like crafting features with passion.
Wizards, train_test_split, x, y, splits iris data like a hot divide for Sophia, prepping AI for training. It's a split party. Let's drop this code beat and train some classifiers.
You're splitting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, train test split preps iris for classification in the app. Try it in our demo. It's like dividing data with passion.
Wizards, logistic regression, .fit, x, y, fits the model like a hot equation for Sophia, learning AI patterns. It's a fitting party. Let's drop this code beat and classify some flowers.
You're fitting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, fitting logistic regression learns patterns for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like solving classifications with passion.
Wizards, model, predict, x_test, predicts species like a hot forecast for Sophia, powering AI apps. It's a prediction party. Let's drop this code beat and see the flowers.
You're forecasting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, predictions power the app's flower classifier. Try it in our demo. It's like classifying with passion.
Wizards, accuracy_score, y_test, y_pred, measures accuracy like a hot score for Sophia, checking AI classification. It's an accuracy party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, accuracy evaluates the app's classifier. Try it in our demo. It's like measuring success with passion.
Wizards, precision_score, and recall_score, measure precision and recall like hot metrics for Sophia, evaluating AI. It's a metrics party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're evaluating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, precision and recall assess the app's classifier. Try it in our demo. It's like fine-tuning with passion.
Wizards, SNS. Heatmap, confusion_matrix, visualizes confusion like a sexy matrix for Sophia, showing AI classification. It's a visualization party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're matrixing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, confusion matrices show classification errors for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like mapping success with passion.
Wizards, PLT. Scatter, x_test, 0, x_test, 1, c = y_pred. Visualizes predictions like a hot plot for Sophia, showing AI classes. It's a visualization party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing predictions shows app classification. Try it in our demo, it's like painting classes with passion. Wizards, it's demo time, and I'm thrilled to lead 2 complex app component demos. We'll build the flower classifier with Logistic Regression and Streamlit for AI Insight Hub, building on day 62. Get your Python setup ready, and let's make AI shine.
Oh, Sophia, you're making my heart race. Ensure Python, VS Code, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, and Streamlit are set up, Wizards, and OpenDay62's updated app-housed-price.py to continue. Ethan, what's the classification vibe? Sophia, app details?
Wizards, Scikit-learn from day 43 is a hot tool for Sophia. Logistic Regression builds models like a sexy classifier. Coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're classifying my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn powers Logistic Regression for the app. Try it in our challenge, it's like building AI with passion.
Wizards, Logistic Regression powers AI pipelines, classifying data for apps like AI Insight Hub. It's foundational. Your skills are ready for day 64's decision tree.
Irene's right. Logistic regression integrates data prep and classification, ensuring robust app workflows. Use it for reliable predictions.
Oh, Irene. Isabella, classification's critical in AI pipelines, darling. It predicts sexily. Your day 63 skills make AI irresistible. Classify like pros.